Yeah, for today I prepared 5 issues. Let's start from first one. Uh, yeah, this ticket related to the tax, when tax edited, included.
Wait. Please start sharing your screen.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry for that, I missed it. Yeah, this ticket related to including and excluding taxes to pricing. So step to reproduce, we need to go to the tax and enable functionality to show excluding and including tax. After that, we should go to configurable product with a price front end, and we will see that price, including price, but we can't see excluding price with excluding tax. I mean, and yeah, that's about this ticket. That we don't have ability to see price with excluding tax.
Got it. Yeah, I'd be curious to see how often this happens. I mean, I think otherwise we would probably defer to probably a standard P3 S3 on this one. I was looking, it looks like we've had this one for a long time
Mm-hmm.
as well. And so yeah, unless, I mean, I think it'd be nice to have in certain situations, but it's probably not terribly common. But I think it's a worthy add. So I think a P3 S3 is probably fine for this one. But
Okay, let's go to next one. Yes, this ticket's about the success message. Usually, when we add some product to our shopping cart, we see some message like this one. You added blah blah to your shopping cart. But if we will add some product to our shopping cart from recently ordered product widget or wish list widget, we will not see this message. We just add it to the product. We will add it product to the shopping cart without any message. And yeah, this is the main issue, and we already have the pull request that fix this behavior.
got it. Yeah, wish list in general is probably not tends not to be a very high priority, but I think it does fix some parity between wish list versus non-wish list. And so I think this one's also going to be a P3 S3 as well. So it's an improvement. I think it's a good find, but not doesn't necessarily have to be fixed as early as possible.
Yeah, agree. And let's go next. Yes, this issue with UI select on create product page, but I think we have this issue in on all pages where UI select is implemented. So we have ability to disable this UI select, and we see on this video screenshot, I don't know, that it is gray. I mean, it's to be disabled, but we still have ability to click on it, and yes, select is still works like it undisabled, not disabled. So yeah, that's the main bug because yeah, we just see the styles. Yes, select is disabled, but really it's not disabled.
Got it. Yeah, that would be confusing. So I think it's still a P3, but I think you could argue that one as an S2. So probably P3 S2 on that one. Again, if it appears disabled, that's gonna confuse some on this one for sure.
Uh, Yeah, it's about this is speaking about validation on the product with dynamic price. So that you produce, we should create the new product. Firstly, we should enable the dynamic price functionality. After that, we should create a new product. After that, we go and disable dynamic price. And we will see that validation of price will show some errors, and it's okay if we turn off dynamic price. But after that, when we again enable dynamic price, the validation should be off. But in our case, validation is enabled, and we continue to see errors in case if dynamic price is enabled. So usually when we enable dynamic price, the price validation is absent because the price is dynamic. But in our case, when we disable and enable again, our products with dynamic price will still have validation, and yeah, we will have the errors.
Got it. And remind me again, the validation in this scenario, does that, if there is validation needed, do we prevent a save or a post action on that one, or is it just
Yeah, of course, we prevent the save action.
We prevent it? Yeah, that's what I thought. With a different priority then. So I would say on this one, so if we're going to get those issues, I would say this one's going to be a P2. That's a P2S2 on this one.
Let's go to the next one, the last one. Yeah, it's about customer groups and placing order by specific customer groups. So step to reproduce, we should create some special additional customer group, different from default one. In this example, we create some additional custom groups, and we try to place order when we log in to some members of this group and place order by this user. And when we will see our order, the order will show that it placed by default group. In default case, it's admin group, but in really we place this order by our member of our custom group, custom group, yeah, that we just created. So all orders that are placed, they placed by default from the default group. It doesn't depends real group. I mean, it's some another group, custom group, etc. All orders as default placed from the default group.
Got it. Yeah, I'd be curious to see how often these groups are used, but I think in absence of that, I would say probably a P3S2. So I think it does make things more usable. It's not urgent, but I think it would be a good fix for those who use groups.
Okay, that's it from my side for today. Guys, do you have some issues?
No, unfortunately, I don't have any PRs to review. Probably next time I will prepare them and okay for triage.
You also don't have, right?
Yeah, also don't have next time.
Okay. We are finished pretty fast.
We're efficient.
Yeah, it's experience.
There you go.
Okay, thank you, Eric, for your time.
Hey, very good.
That's
Thank
it.
you so much too.
Yeah,
Okay.
have a good day.
All right, take care, you too. All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
Аншком guys, куди постоянно закон?
Just a second, I will stop my sharing.
Уже все.
Stop recording.
I will try my plugins. Doesn't respond.
You can just finish the meeting and we can reconnect.